In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master timeline in Asana, which will serve as a centralized project management hub. This is fantastic for anyone looking to organize multiple projects and keep everything aligned across different teams and initiatives. To begin, you'll need to create a new project in Asana. Simply click on the plus new project button and select blank project. It's important to give this project a meaningful name such as Master Timeline or Company Roadmap. This will help you and your team easily identify its purpose. Make sure you select the timeline view, which offers a Gantt-style layout essential for high-level overviews. This setup will provide an at-a-glance view of your project schedules and how they stack up over time. Next, consider organizing your project by adding key milestones and deliverables. Try creating sections or columns that categorize major areas such as product launches, marketing campaigns, events, and team initiatives. Under each of these sections, you can add milestones or summary tasks. These should represent the big goals your team is working towards. This categorization allows you to visualize each critical goal and ensure your team is on track to meet them. Once your categories are set, you'll want to connect tasks from other projects to your master timeline. The most efficient way to do this is through a process called multi-homing. First, open a task from any project that you want to include. Then, click Add to another project and select Master Timeline. This way, a single task can exist in multiple projects, and any update will sync automatically across all spaces. It's vital for ensuring everyone stays informed with real-time data. Additionally, for more precise timelines, you can use dependencies. To do this, select a task and click Make Dependent On. By linking tasks this way, you'll clearly see which work must be completed before subsequent tasks can begin. This is invaluable for avoiding task overlaps and ensuring realistic scheduling. Custom fields are a great tool to personalize your master timeline further. Consider adding fields like department, status, and priority. This metadata will allow you to filter tasks across the entire timeline effortlessly, helping you and your team focus on the most relevant tasks at any given time. Finally, it's important to share this timeline with your leadership and team members. Be sure to invite executives and leads as project members. You might also want to consider giving them comment-only permissions if they only require visibility without the ability to make changes. For broader dissemination, exporting the timeline as a PDF or CSV can be particularly useful for presentations or broader team updates. And that's it. You've successfully set up a master timeline within Asana. By utilizing these steps, you'll be able to manage your projects with increased efficiency and clarity, ensuring everyone is aligned and working towards the same goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in enhancing your project management practices.